My dear student friends, hope you are fine. Today, let's go through the life of great men and women in the birthday letter. Have you heard the story of Jeanne d'Arc? Jeanne d'Arc is Joan of Arc. She is a national heroine of France. She was a peasant girl who, believing that she was acting under divine guidance, led the French army in a momentous victory at Orleans in 1429 that repulsed an English attempt to conquer France during the Hundred Years' War. She is nicknamed as the Maid of Orleans. She was canonized as a Catholic saint. Then, move to our great leader. The magic of Bapuji's message has stolen the hearts of millions of men and women. Great leaders can inspire people to do great deeds. He has inspired our people to great actions and noble sacrifice. Just like Nehru and Indira, let's take part in this great drama. Are you ready? Shall I read it? In history, we read of great periods in the life of nations of great men and women. Do you remember how fascinated you were when you first read the story of Jeanne d'Arc? Fascinate means to attract or interest somebody very much. Your ambition was to be something like her. Ambition means something that you want to do or achieve very much. Ordinary men and women are not usually heroic. They think of their bread and butter, of their children, of their household worries and the like. But a time comes when a whole people become interested in a great cause. Then history helps even simple, ordinary men and women to become heroes. Great leaders have something in them which inspires a whole people and makes them do great deeds. Inspire means to give somebody the desire, confidence or enthusiasm to do something. In India, a great leader full of love for all who suffer and eager to help them has inspired our people to great actions and noble sacrifice. He has helped to make the starving, the poor and the oppressed free and happy. Bapuji is in prison, but the magic of his message has stolen the hearts of India's millions. Men and women and even little children come out of their little shells and become India's soldiers of freedom. In India today, we are making history, and you and I are fortunate to see this happening before our eyes and to take some part ourselves in this great drama. What part shall we play in it? If we are to be India's soldiers, we have to respect India's honor, and that honor is a sacred trust. Sacred means very important and treated with great respect. It's no easy matter to decide what is right and what is not. One little test I shall ask you to apply whenever you are in doubt. Never do anything in secret or anything that you would wish to hide. For the desire to hide anything means that you are afraid, and fear is a bad thing and unworthy of you. Be brave and all the rest follows. You know that in our great freedom movements under Bapuji's leadership, there is no room for secrecy or hiding. We have nothing to hide. We are not afraid of what we do or what we say. We work in the sun and in the light. Even so, in our private lives, let's make friends with the sun and work in the light and do nothing secretly. And if you do so, my dear, you will grow up a child of the light, unafraid and serene and unruffled, whatever may happen. Serene means calm and peaceful. Unruffled means calm. I have written a very long letter to you, and yet there is so much I would like to tell you. How can a letter contain it? Goodbye, little one, and may you grow up into a brave soldier in India's service. With all my love and good wishes, your loving father, Jawaharlal Nehru. My dear student friends, let's go through the words and try to say from the memory. History, great periods, nations, fascinated, giant arc, ambition, ordinary men, usually, heroic, bread and butter, interested, great leaders, inspires, sacrifice, starving, oppressed, Bapuji, prison, magic, message, fortunate, soldiers, respect, sacred trust, doubt, freedom movement, leadership, secrecy, hiding, secretly, serene, unruffled, brave soldier. Okay, my dear student friends, let's go through this magic inspiration and try to become a great leader in future. Best wishes. See you next week by a rainy day experience. Thank you.